Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha. Today we are going to see with our staff picks if they're going to choose between a Jeep Patriot or a Chevy Malibu. Let's find out. Hey Megan, would you choose the Jeep Patriot or the Chevy Malibu?
I would choose the Jeep Patriot.
Why?
Because I love Jeeps and it's an SUV and I have two kids and it's spacious.
Hey Dale, if you had to pick between the Jeep Patriot or the Chevy Malibu, which one would you pick and why?
I would take the Chevy Malibu. It's got a nice big interior.
Hey B, if you had to pick between the Jeep Patriot or the Chevy Malibu, which one would you pick and why?
I am a very outdoor person, so I have to go with the Jeep because when I go do hiking, outdoor stuff, I can put all my equipment in there.
Hey Deja, if you had to pick between the Jeep Patriot or the Chevy Malibu, which one would you pick and why?
I'm picking the Jeep Patriot because I like SUVs.
So it looks like the Jeep won between our staff pick. However, we have a great selection of vehicles. So if you don't like either of them, come on in. We have a huge inventory at Byrider Waukesha. Come in and see us at W226 South 1700 Highway 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin 53186, or give us a call at 262-506-3131. See you guys soon.